This video is a step-by-step guide to help you access all the features and benefits that Kalstein Plus offers. Kalstein Plus is a platform that connects users, distributors and technical services, providing access to a wide range of specialized tools and resources. First, open your browser and visit www.kalstein.net. Here you will find our home page. Click on the button that says a login located at the top right of the page and below the email entry field. Find the Register button. Fill in the fields with your email, first name, last name, username, password and other information that the page will currently ask for. After submitting your form, you will receive a confirmation email with a code that you must enter on the Kalstein Plus page to enjoy the experience that Kalstein Plus has to offer you.